to Zaza's and Zizi's Fun Ventures, where learning is having fun.
Zizi, are we gonna eat rabbit? Rabbit
Sinigang
sandwich?
rabbit.
Sinigang rabbit. It tastes like shrimp. You wanna eat some? We will try one. Okay. Sasa, you wanna eat burger rabbit?
Yeah, burger rabbit.
Hi guys, we are in Rabbiton, Pamplona. As you can see, look, we got a stamp, and I think this is a map. Mapni? Whoa.
And we're waiting for?
Our tour guide. So let's just
What's
read.
your name?
Herbiton, Piggiton, Chickaton, Roselle Hill, Sheepiton, Horseton, Rabbit House, Rabbit Village. Yeah, I wonder if they'll kill these chickens too. That sounds so delicious. The pig.
Later na outside.
Conejo meat is rabbit. Nursery, dryer, rabbit house, comfort room, Sheepiton Reserve. We don't need a tour guide.
You can't wait.
Yeah, we're gonna do it ourselves. Yeah. I wonder if we're gonna actually try rabbit. Rabbit! And horses. Oh yeah, we're here. Roselle Hill. Here, Roselle Hill, we're here.
No, this is where we are.
Oh, there, oh, look. Look. Ano po?
There's a rabbit house in here.
There's another one.
Hey, there's a black one. Alright, I don't want to kill the black one.
Napa J grade ito.
Oh, there's another
Yeah, I know, I saw it.
Na may part din ako din ng pagkakas. Ito bro. Rabbit farm.
Hey, look, it's a rabbit head. Oh, antenna.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one.
Oh, so many rabbits to kill here. Gee. Huh? Guinea fowl. Hey, guinea fowl. And also.
Ang lineage of the dinosaur.
Pwede ka sunod ulit?
Let's go.
Z.
Let's try and touch a rabbit. Hey, there's one over there.
Oh, go there, go there.
What if they attack me or something? What if they have claws?
Wait lang, wait. Basta hello, dali. Nakanabutan siya. Pwede siyang ba?
Oh, dali, dali si Zaza.
Ay, sa ba? Like, anaon gini.
Aw, you're a nice little rabbit, aren't you? You're like Freddy.
Feed the rabbits, Gang. Hold this, Gang. Hold this.
Nandito siya.
Sige, touch again. Don't.
Picture ko siya. Sit. Sit.
Like in the story, but
What is it eating? Eating. Ni stand siya.
Sa ate, touch.
Napa yan to'y black na rabbit ganing doon na
Ayaw
ako.
gatas mo. Gusto mo.
Lemongrass?
Hey, where's your hat?
Daddy's hair. Eat ka?
Sige, feed.
You want some?
Go there, go there. Sa may black.
No, that's the black one that went near me.
Yeah, I like rabbits.
me too.
Are you having fun? Do you like it? Huh?
Rabbits.
Okay.
Oh, mga rabbit, nagtuwa sila na ako. The black one got her own.
Z, sleeping rabbit. Oh. Hi.
Anybody hungry?
Look, Z.
Oh, pareho na lang ginasiya.
Slowly lang na.
Pareho ko na ginasiya nga. Rami.
There's a baby.
The black one got her own. Anybody hungry?
Uy, kilala na. Zaza. Zaza, what are you doing?
Eating the rabbit.
Feeding the rabbit. This one is hungry. Give.
Like it? Like it?
No, nangilkil. This other one.
Look, chickens! The chickens over there, look. I think we just passed chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken. Whoa, rabbits. I think that's the rabbit's house.
The breeding, ano nila?
Selamat sa rinda mo.
Kena.
Gabi yun. Kasi ilayon ni Libre.
Pwede po kapalit dari og ano part. What can you say?
It's very fluffy and nice. And
Not your
Pwede
white
sa mga
thing.
Clara. He likes to be cut. Oh, there's your eye.
Not your black thing.
Now let's go to the ship na.
Oh, bye.
Now there's brown to the.
Bye.
You're a really good girl.
Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Now look at ate Ganging.
He's a good girl or boy. Oh, with ate.
Do you want to hold the rabbit also?
Yes.
We're going to the ship now. Hey, chicken! Let's go to chicken. Now we'll try to touch the sheep. Whoa!
No, there you go. Coming near na.
I think they just had a bath.
Di ano. Taga-easy oh.
Yeah, it made a bet. You hungry? Whoa, you're
Ayun
hurt.
lang ko kapay. May hulo.
Can we actually go inside the sheep pen?
No, I don't think so.
What the? That goat
Ayan
just
lagi kapa ha.
gonna pee. If you're hungry.
Other one.
I'm gonna find some more.
Don't touch the mouth, huh? Oh, load ng so cute. Let's get some more.
No, no, may dulo.
That keeps coming here. Oh, there's a kid. Kid. Hey, you're a kid. You're a kid. You have privileges to lots of food. Oh, their eyes. Hey, kid. What the? They're strong. Whoa! Why isn't the kid coming?
Naka-feed si Zaza.
Nourishment. What do you do? Yeah, that's yours.
Here's a.
Yung ulo dire-dire.
Oh, mau bonnet si Zaza? Ha?
Yes.
Lang.
Look lang.
Naik gusto to? Goose. Na.
Geese are kind of dangerous. We had fun feeding the rabbits, and touching the rabbits and feeding the sheep. I recommend them to go to Rabbiton in Pamplona. But we're gonna leave now and we're gonna go home. Bye!